Mold can be a persistent and troublesome problem in many homes, but with some proactive steps, you can prevent it from taking hold. Let's explore some key tips on how to prevent mold growth. First, ensure proper ventilation in your home. Good airflow helps to keep moisture levels down, making it harder for mold to grow. Ensure that appliances that produce moisture, like your dryer or stove, are correctly vented to the outside. Keep indoor humidity levels in check. Regular cleaning is essential. Mold can develop on surfaces if they're not cleaned regularly. Inspect your home for leaks and fix them promptly. Lastly, regularly inspect your home for any signs of mold, even in less accessible areas. By maintaining proper ventilation, controlling indoor humidity, cleaning regularly, you can create an environment that's less hospitable to mold.